When a company has been breached, there are several key indicators to watch out for. Unusual network activity is a major red flag. For example, unexpected spikes in outbound traffic, which may indicate data leakage. Unauthorized access attempts are another sign, especially if there are multiple failed logins or logins from unusual locations. Changes in configurations without proper authorization can also signal a breach, such as attackers often modify settings to maintain access. Additionally, the presence of unknown applications or files on the network can indicate malware installation alerts from security tools such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Developing an incident response plan is essential for effectively managing and mitigating security incidents. So let's start off by identifying potential threats and understanding the specific risks your organization faces. Establishing an incident response team with clear defined roles and responsibilities. The plan should outline detection and analysis procedures to identify and assess incidents quickly. Containment, suppression, and recovery steps are crucial for minimizing damage and restoring operations normally. Finally, include a post-incident review to learn from the incident and improve future responses. Regularly test and update the plan to ensure it remains effective and relevant. Several tools and technologies are effective for threat detection. Security information and event management systems like Microsoft Sentinel gather and analyze log data from across the network to identify potential threats. Endpoint detection and response tools monitor and respond to threats on endpoints. Intrusion detection and prevention systems monitor network traffic for suspicious activities and can block malicious traffic. Next-generation firewalls provide advanced filtering capabilities to detect and prevent complex threats. Additionally, artificial intelligence and machine learning enhance threat detection by identifying patterns and differences that traditional methods might miss. A multinational bank implemented a proactive threat detection strategy using advanced analytics and behavioral analysis. The bank security team monitored transaction patterns to identify anomalies. This approach helped them detect an insider threat alert, whereby an employee was executing unauthorized transfers amounting to $5 million. By rapidly flagging these suspicious activities, the bank was able to mitigate potential losses and strengthened its overall security posture. The strategy reduced threat detection time by 40%, highlighting the importance of continuous monitoring and analysis. Microsoft Sentinel and Azure Security Center work together to enhance threat detection and response capabilities. Azure Security Center provides unified security management and advanced threat protection across cloud environments. It continuously assesses your security posture, provides recommendations, and detects threats. Microsoft Sentinel, a cloud-native SIEM, integrates with Azure Security Center to collect and analyze security data from various sources. Sentinel uses AI and machine learning to detect and respond to threats in real time. It also offers automated response capabilities, reducing the time and effort required to mitigate incidents. Together, these tools provide comprehensive visibility and protection, helping businesses stay ahead of evolving cyber threats.